Today I'm working on my Seiko Prospex SSC549, a solar chronograph that I have owned for a while, and the problem is simple. It's not holding the charge like it should. You know, with solar watches, people often say the capacitor is bad, but in many modern Seiko solar watches, what we are actually replacing is the rechargeable battery or the secondary cell. So in this video, I want to see if this is something a regular watch owner like me can do at home with the tools that are needed, what to watch out for, and whether I think it's actually worth doing yourself. So welcome to 5-minute watch reviews. Usually I review watches, but today we're gonna do something a little different, a small watch repair project. So this is my Seiko Prospex. I have it back on my metal band. It's a beautiful, beautiful chronograph watch. So it's a solar powered. You can see the solar battery is in the middle. So in theory, you do not need to replace it if you keep wearing it regularly. But the problem is I have many watches and sometimes I let it sit without proper light. And I think that this one is probably worth replacing. So let's see what happens. I think the first thing I need to do is to remove the bracelet. That will allow easier access for me to the case back. So let me try to do that. Oh, I guess I'll be back. Well, at least I removed one side. It was not that easy, but it's done, so doable. Now I'm gonna put it into a special holder and try to unscrew the case back. So now we have it in this special watch holder that holds the watch, and we're gonna use this special tool that I have to open the case back and try to find the battery and replace it. And I think we are actually gonna be successful in opening it. So cool. Okay, very nice. That's how it looks like. We see the capacitor over there. So let's see if we can carefully remove it and replace it. Looks like we just remove it simply like that. And that's the capacitor. And let's find the new one. Got it from, I don't know, I think I bought it on eBay. So it actually, yeah, looks the same. So let's replace it. So I was just doing a double check to make sure that they're the same. It says rechargeable battery only. And same thing here, rechargeable battery. And they look very similar. So we'll be placing it into the watch and see what happens. I think it was like this when I removed it. I guess let's put the case back and see if it works, or maybe just check it out before we put it. Might need the case back. Okay, let me put it back and we'll see. Looks like it's running. Okay, nice. I think that's it's good. Let's see. Let me screw in properly the case back, and we'll see how it goes from there. All right, I put the case back properly, screwed it in. Let's try to operate the watch. Okay, so looking at it, it looks like it needs a charge. It's not, it's on a low side, very low side. So let me put the bracelet properly on, and I'll put it on the sun and see what happens. All right, put it on a sun for like few seconds, like 30 seconds. And everything's okay. It's full, battery is good. Chrono was also working fine. Let's see what happened. I put it into some mode now. All right, guys, good news. Everything's working now properly. Nope. On the sun, it's working, everything's working properly. Without the sun, it doesn't want to work. Huh. Very interesting. I guess I need to leave it on the sun for more. Let's see. Well, I got it on the operating table again. I think we missed something when they installing, so let's take a look. We must have missed something. Probably has to be like that. Let's see what's happening now. The watch. Okay. Let's tighten it a little bit. So there's actually a problem. I think I installed it wrong. Need to fix it. I think it needs to point like this. Right here. There's something over here. There's a contact here. So let's see. Be careful how you install it if you're doing yourself. Yeah, so this is actually the right way of installing it. You can see that there's over here there's a niche where it has to go. So it's right here, and this has to be right there. Yeah, guys, so yeah, you gotta be careful when you're installing it. I think we're all good. We're gonna put the case back on and see how it works. So guys, finally it's all good. There was one more step I had to do. I had to pull out the crown to the second click and press these two buttons for 3 or more seconds, and it kind of resets everything. And you see that I have like 50% of the battery life now. Let's see. Yeah, chrono works also. So yeah, now I have to find a way to reset the starting point to the 12 o'clock for the chrono. But yeah, it's not. It's okay. I mean, it's gonna take you some time, half an hour or so, to do it properly. But yeah, if you know what you're doing, this is definitely doable. So thank you for being with me. Subscribe, like, share, and see you next time.